Hello everyone, welcome again. Today I'm going to describe about the decision making in C sharp. Right? Decision making means for a certain condition you can see in the left hand side. For a certain condition, if you want to evaluate something, then if condition is true, then we have to do something else. Or if condition is false, we have to do something else. So this is called the decision making in C sharp. In the C sharp, we have the different decision making statements. First one is the if statement. If statement means if certain condition is true, then we have to do something, right? Second is the if else, means if condition satisfy, or else means if not satisfied, then else condition will be applied. Similarly, nested if means under the if another if you want to implement, that is called the nested if. And next is the switch statement. Based on the some variables value, we can like the add the code for the different statement. We can, it's called the switch statement. And it's we have also have the nested switch. Means if one switch and I want to add another switch, that is called the nested switch. This is the these are the different like the statements in the C sharp for the decision making. First of all, let's start in the Visual Studios, and we want to show in the practically about this. Okay. First, let's see, this is the if condition. So for I am just declaring a local variable int a equal to 10, and here I am checking what is the, it means I am checking if, this is the if, we have to write something like if a less than 20, then this is the curly bracket, this is the syntax of if. Under the bracket we have to add the condition here, we can write anything here, and then curly bracket, if age 20. Okay, always if is result given is true, if age less than 20, it means if it is true or false. If value, suppose here a is 10 and it's comparing 10 less than 20, yes it is true, then this statement will be call. Okay, and value of, suppose I am writing here console age less than 20, and value of age, I am two things I am writing. Okay, let's run the program. I adjust calling, and I am adding a breakpoint here. Let's run the program. Yeah, cursor come here. If you press F10, then it will be start debugging. You can see a is 10 and a is less than 10, then it will come here and it will print, and you can see here a is less than 20 is printing. Okay, so this is the very basic syntax of the if statement. Suppose I want some condition like if a is less than 20, then something else something here. You can see if else statement. Here a is equal to 100, and I am checking if a is less than 20, then print this one. If a is not less than 20, then print this one. Okay, so let's call this. Yeah, so this is the syntax if then else, this one, this is called if else method. Next is the nested if. Nested if means under if condition. If you want to write another if condition, that is called nested if. Here is checking a equal to 100, okay, and again we are checking b equal to 100, 200. If this condition is true, then it will come here. If this condition is true, then it will come here. That is called nested if. Let's run all three program all together. I am removing this. You can see here, first it's printing because a is 10, then it will be going another. Here a is 100, then it will come here, it will print, just print enter, it will print a is less than 20. Okay, it's not going a is not less than 20. Now go to third, a is 100 and b is 200. It will come under this and it will also go here. You can see here, value of a is 100 and b is 200. It's printing this condition, and this is the outside the loop, that's why it's printing. Okay, so there are three things: if else and nested if. Now next is the switch statement. What is switch? Switch means based on the certain value I want to add some cases. The syntax is simple: switch, and this is the variable name. Variable name is grade. If case, if you are passing b, here I am writing some grade, and in this line we can add some code here. Case a, if grade value is a, then it will be write excellent. If grade value is b and c, it will write well done. You can see here two cases means either value is b or c. In both cases it will write well done. If grade value is d, then it will write you passed. If grade value is f, it will write this one. Now let's print this. I'm just commenting the upper section and just you can see here, well done, your grade is b, because I am passing in the grade b. Okay, suppose I am passing the grade value a, then it will print the excellent. You can say excellent. So this is called the switch statement. Switch in the bracket the value, whatever value you want to compare. Based on that value, we can write different cases here. Okay, suppose I want to two cases in the same, then we can write here b, c, something like this. And what is the meaning of default here? Default means if all not satisfy, then it will come here. Let's see, I am passing jet. You can see nothing in case available for jet. It will print invalid grade. You can see here your grade is jet, that is invalid, because it's not coming in any case. If all the case means not satisfy, then it will come in the default. Okay, next is the nested switch. Nested switch means in one switch we can add another switch, like nested if, nested. Okay, this is nested switch. First it will compare the a value. If it is case, then again we are checking, and we can add here, we can add multiple case also. That is similarly to this one, we can write the multiple case in under switch b, we can write the multiple case under switch. Okay, this is the one thing that is called multiple switch. Okay, Yeah, that's is the things we have today. In this video we learn about the decision making, like the if statement, if else, nested if, switch statement, and nested switch statement. That is all for this video, and in the next video I will show you how to work on the loop. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video then please like and subscribe. Thank you.